Have you ever wondered how strong your English really is? Let's find out together. In this video, I'll give you 30 questions, 10 each for beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. Keep track of how many you get right. At the end, you'll know your approximate CEFR level: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, or C2. Ready? Let's go. Beginner level. For each question, choose the sentence that is grammatically correct. Question 1. Sarah don't like coffee. Sarah isn't like coffee. Sarah doesn't like coffee. Correct answer. Sarah doesn't like coffee. We use doesn't with third-person singular subjects he, she, it in the simple present tense for negative statements. For example, she doesn't play tennis. Question 2. This bag is heavier than mine. This bag is more heavy than mine. This bag is the most heavy than mine. Correct answer. This bag is heavier than mine. For short adjectives, we usually add when comparing two things: tall, taller, fast, faster, heavy, heavier. For longer adjectives, use more expensive, more comfortable. Question 3. I have a dentist appointment in Friday. I have a dentist appointment at Friday. I have a dentist appointment on Friday. Correct answer. I have a dentist appointment on Friday. Use on with days of the week: on Monday, on the weekend, on Christmas Day. Question 4. I saw an elephant at the zoo. I saw an elephant at the zoo. I saw elephant at the zoo. Correct answer. I saw an elephant at the zoo. Use and before words that start with a vowel sound, like an hour, an umbrella, an honest person. Use a before consonant sounds: a cat, a university. Question 5. I think it rains tomorrow. I think it will rain tomorrow. I think it is raining tomorrow. Correct answer. I think it will rain tomorrow. To talk about future predictions, use will plus base verb: it will snow, she will call you later. Question 6. That jacket is mine. That jacket is to me. That jacket is my. Correct answer. That jacket is mine. When showing possession without a noun, use possessive pronouns: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is hers. The idea was theirs. Question 7. Did you went to the concert? Did you go to the concert? Have you gone to the concert? Correct answer. Did you go to the concert? For past actions at a specific time, such as yesterday or last week, use the simple past. With did always follow with the base verb. Did you eat? Did she come? Question 8. There is many water in the bottle. There are some waters in the bottle. There is some water in the bottle. Correct answer. There is some water in the bottle. Water is uncountable, so it takes a singular verb, is. Many is for countable nouns. Many books. Some works with both. Some sugar. Some friends. Question 9. Her gave the keys to him. She gave the keys to him. She gave the keys to him. Correct answer. She gave the keys to him. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, they go before the verb. Object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, them go after verbs or prepositions. He called her. They invited us. Question 10. We have known each other since 5 years. We have known each other for 5 years. We have known each other from 5 years. Correct answer. We have known each other for 5 years. Use for with a duration for 2 hours for a week. Use since with a starting point: since 2020, since last summer. Well done. You've finished the beginner section. If you got 7+ correct, you're likely at A1. If you got 9+ correct, You're probably at A2. Intermediate level. Questions 11 to 20. Now, let's move to more complex grammar and vocabulary. Question 11. You must to study harder. You must studying harder. You must study harder. Correct answer. You must study harder. Modal verbs can, should, must, might are followed by the base verb, no to. You should rest. She can swim. They might come. Question 12. He never gives attention during lectures. He never pays attention during lectures. He never makes attention during lectures. Correct answer. He never pays attention during lectures. Pay attention is a common collocation. Other examples: pay a visit, pay respect. Question 13. Have you ever visited Japan? Did you ever visited Japan? Have you ever visited Japan? Correct answer. Have you ever visited Japan? Use the present perfect have or has plus past participle for life experiences without a specific time. Have you ever ridden a horse? Has she ever lived abroad? Question 14. If you miss the bus, we'll have to walk. If you miss the bus, we'd have to walk. If you miss the bus, we'll have to walk. Correct answer. If you miss the bus, we'll have to walk. This is the first conditional. If plus present simple, then will plus base verb. Used for real, possible future situations. Question 15. My brother speaks French more fluent than me. My brother speaks French fluent than me. My brother speaks French more fluently than me. Correct answer. My brother speaks French more fluently than me. Adverbs like fluently, quickly, carefully describe how an action is done. Use more plus adverb for comparison. Question 16. To learn new languages is fun. Learning new languages is fun. To learning new languages is fun. Correct answer. Learning new languages is fun. When a verb acts as the subject, use the ing form, gerund. Swimming keeps me healthy. Reading improves vocabulary. Question 17. He hardly never checks his email. He hardly ever checks his email. He never hardly checks his email. Correct answer. He hardly ever checks his email. Hardly ever means almost never. It's a fixed phrase. Don't combine it with never. That creates a double negative. Question 18. Please don't beat around the lake. Please don't beat around the house. Please don't beat around the bush. Correct answer. Please don't beat around the bush. This idiom means don't avoid the main point. Just tell me what you mean. Don't beat around the bush. Question 19. You should have came earlier. You should have come earlier. You should have come earlier. Use should have plus past participle to express regret or missed opportunities. I should have studied more. They should have left sooner. Question 20. Can you pick up me after work? Can you pick me up after work? Can you pick me up after work? Correct answer. Can you pick me up after work? Phrasal verbs with pronouns, me, you, him, etc. must split. The pronoun goes in the middle. Turn it off. Give them back. Call me later. Great job! You've completed the intermediate section. If you got 7 plus correct, you're likely B1. If you got 9 plus correct, you're probably B2. Advanced level, questions 21 to 30. Now for the final challenge, advanced grammar, vocabulary, and expressions. Question 21. It's freezing today, isn't it? It's freezing today, is it? It's freezing today. It is. Correct answer, it's freezing today, isn't it? This is a question tag used to confirm or invite agreement. After a positive statement, use a negative tag. You're tired, aren't you? She likes tea, doesn't she? Question 22. The instructions were unclear and somewhat meticulous, ambiguous, erroneous. Correct answer. Ambiguous means open to more than one interpretation. Meticulous equals very careful. Erroneous equals incorrect. Question 23. By next year, I will have worked here for 10 years. By next year, I have worked here for 10 years. By next year, I will be working here for 10 years. Correct answer. By next year, I will have worked here for 10 years. This is the future perfect tense, used to show completion of an action before a future time. By 2026, she will have graduated. Question 24. His plan to start a business never really turned up, kicked off, panned out. Correct answer. Panned out. Pan out means to succeed or develop as hoped. Turn up equals appear. Kick off equals begin. Question 25. Having lost his phone, Mark retraced his steps. To have lost his phone, Mark retraced his steps. He had lost his phone, Mark retraced his steps. Correct answer. Having lost his phone, Mark retraced his steps. Having plus past participle shows one action completed before another. Having finished dinner, we watched a movie. Question 26. The doctor recommends doing more exercise. The doctor recommends to do more exercise. The doctor recommends that doing more exercise. Correct answer. The doctor recommends doing more exercise. Recommend is followed by a gerund, not an infinitive. I recommend watching that documentary. They recommend booking early. Question 27. That was such a boring movie. That was so a boring movie. That was such boring a movie. Correct answer. That was such a boring movie. Use such before a noun phrase, such a shame, such beautiful music. Use so before adjectives or adverbs, so boring, so quickly. Question 28. The jury has reached a decision. The jury has found a decision. The jury has placed a decision. Correct answer. The jury has reached a decision. Reach a decision verdict is a common collocation in legal contexts. Question 29. After winning the award, she looked completely empathetic, erratic, ecstatic. Correct answer. Ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy. Emphatic equals strongly expressed. Erratic equals irregular or unpredictable. Question 30. However difficult the task may seem, just stay focused. Whatever difficult the task may seem, just stay focused. Whenever difficult the task may seem, just stay focused. Correct answer. However difficult the task may seem, just stay focused. However here means no matter how it's followed by an adjective or adverb. However tired you are, keep going. However expensive it is, I want it. Congratulations! You've completed the entire test. Final score guide. 7+ correct in advanced section. Likely, C1. 9+ correct in advanced section. Probably C2. Thanks for watching and keep improving your English every day. See you next time.